Hello children. Children, last week we have done lesson number 12, the preposition of English 1. Today we are going to start with a new lesson of English 2. So take out your English reader books. Take out page number 84. On page number 84, we are going to start with lesson number 11, Latula, the top 1. This lesson is related to the top, whose name is Latula. Children, you know what is a top? Like you can see in your books itself, this is the picture of a top. This is a top with which children usually play. When we throw this on the ground, it spins round and round. So, what is this? This is a top, and the name of this top in the story is Latula. So, let's start reading with this lesson. Latula was a very special top. Red and yellow lights flashed when she went round and round. Now, as I told you that the name of the top in this lesson is Latula. So, Latula was a very special top. Like this top you will call it as Lattu in Hindi, with which children usually play. So, in this story, Latula was a very special top. Red and yellow lights flashed when she went round and round. Now, when this Latula used to spin round and round, when this Latula used to move round and round on the floor, on the ground, then red and yellow lights usually used to shine. The meaning of flashed I have written over here. Shine. Flashed means shine. So when this Latula used to move round and round on the floor, on the smooth surface, then at that time red and yellow lights used to shine from this Latula. Latula belonged to Ria. This Latula belonged to Ria. Means Ria is the name of the girl in the story, and this Latula, you can say the top belonged to Ria. Ria made her spin all day. Now, as this Latula was of Ria, this top was of Ria, so Ria used to play with this Latula throughout the day. What she used to do with this Latula? She used to spin all day. She used to throw this Latula on the ground and used to spin all day. The meaning of spin I have written over here. To turn round quickly. Like when Ria used to play with this top, she used to throw it quickly on the smooth surface, and this Latula used to spin, used to move round and round quickly. Latula loved it. I am Latula, the dancing top, she sang. And this way, when Ria used to play with Latula, Latula used to love it. And then Latula used to say, yes, I am a dancing top, that I am always dancing on the floor. At night, Ria left Latula on a table. Now, one night what happened? Ria left that Latula on the table. Latula didn't like to sit still, and this Latula never liked to sit still. As Ria has left this Latula on the table, and this Latula was sitting still on the table, so this thing Latula never used to like it. She hopped down slowly and quietly rolled out of the door. Now, what did Latula do at that time? When Ria left that Latula on the table, Latula hopped. Hopped means jumped. Hopped means, I have written the meaning over here. Hopped means jumped. So this Latula jumped down slowly from the table and rolled out of the door. Means Latula quickly and rolled out of the door, moved out of the door. She began to spin round and round. Now this, what did Latula started to do? Latula started to spin round and round. She flew into the air. Then after that, Latula flew into the air. Hey, she called, watch me dance in the air. Then at that time, Latula called, hey, watch me dance in the air. Everybody watch me dance in the air. I am dancing in the air. So everybody look at me. Who's that? Buzzed the mosquitoes. At that time, you know that at night the mosquitoes are moving all around in the air. So the mosquitoes asked, buzzed means the sound or the noise which is made by the mosquitoes. When the mosquitoes heard the sound of Latula, then mosquitoes buzzed means they made a sound that who is that? Who is telling that look at me. I am dancing in the air. It's not a mosquito, it's not a bee. Who is it? Asked Granny Mosquito. Then at that time Granny Mosquito asked that it is not a mosquito and it is not a bee also. Then who is it? It's a flying saucer, cried Teeny Mosquito. See the lights. Then one mosquito was there whose name was Teeny. So one teeny mosquito told, it's a flying saucer. And you can see the lights. You can see the lights of that flying saucer. It's flying in the air and you can see its lights are shining. Now let's move on to the next page. Flying saucer, fly for your lives, Granny Mosquito buzzed. Then Granny Mosquito quickly told, buzzed means like that. Buzzed means, again I am telling you, buzzed means the sound which is made by the mosquitoes. Granny Mosquito, granny here means the grandmother. Granny means grandmother. So grandmother mosquito buzzed, made a sound that everybody fly from here. Everybody fly from here. That's a flying saucer. Fly for your lives means save yourself. Move from here. Silly, Latula laughed. She dropped down and rolled into the living room. Then Latula started laughing, and at this, when Granny Mosquito told all the other mosquitoes to fly to save themselves for their lives, then Latula laughed at this, and she told, silly. And then Latula dropped down and rolled into the living room. Means Latula came down and then she went into the living room. The tables and chairs were quiet and still. There in the living room, the tables and chairs were there and they were standing quiet and still. Latula sang. Want to watch me dance? Then Latula started singing. It made a sound. And then Latula told, do you want me to dance? Do you want to see me dancing? Grandpa Sofa opened an eye. Who is making this noise? He asked. Then at that time, when Latula was singing and was asking everybody that do you want to watch me dancing? At that moment, Grandpa Sofa opened his eye and then asked, who is making this noise? That shiny little thing, said the big chair. At that time, when Grandpa Sofa asked that who was making the noise, then the big chair answered that there is one small shiny little thing which is making the noise. It's just a top, said the big table. Then the big table replied that it's just a top. I am not just a top, Latula cried. I am a dancing top. Then when this big table told this Grandpa Sofa that it is just a top, no need to be afraid of it. Then at that time, Latula shouted, no, I am not just a top. I am a dancing top. Means Latula wanted to say that I am not a simple top. I am a top which always keeps dancing. Means I am a dancing top. Tops don't dance, they just spin, said the big table. When Latula told the big table that I am a dancing top, at that time, the big table gave an answer to Latula that tops don't dance. They only spin, means they only move round and round. They can't dance. Oh yes, they do, Latula said. You can't even move a leg. Then Latula told the big table, yes, I can dance. But you can't even move a single leg of yours. I can too, the big table yelled. Yelled means shouted. At this, when Latula told that I can dance, but you can't even move a leg, then the big table was little bit angry and he shouted that I can also move myself. You can't do this. Latula flew up and landed on top of the big table. She skated on its smooth back. Then Latula told the big table, no, no, you can't do it. You can't move your leg. Then after that, Latula flew up and landed. Means after flying up, Latula landed on top of the big table. Means she started skating on the smooth back of the big table. Means like children, there's a table and the top of the table is smooth. So Latula sat on the back of the table, means on that smooth surface of the table, and started skating over there. Stop, cried the big table. It hurts. Then at that time the big table shouted, stop it, Latula. You are hurting me. Latula slid off the table. Then after that, Latula came down from the table. Catch her, yelled the big table. At that time, the big table was a little bit angry with Latula, and then the big table shouted again. Yelled means shouted again that catch her. The big table shouted to catch Latula. You can't, Latula sang. She flew out through the window. Then Latula started singing that you will not be able to catch me. And then after that, Latula flew out from the window. She has run away, screamed the small table. At that time, the small table which was there in the living room, the small table also started shouting, see that Latula has run away from the window. Catch her, quick, shouted the big table. Then at this, the big table again started shouting and then told the small table also to catch her quickly. The big chair opened the door. The big table came out. The big chair followed. I am coming too, said the small table. Then after that, the big chair opened the door. Why? Because everybody wanted to catch Latula. Who wanted to catch Latula? The big chair, the big table, and the small table. So at that moment, what happened? The big chair opened the door, and then after the door was opened by the big chair, the big table also came out from the living room, and then the big chair also followed the big table to catch Latula. I am coming too, said the small table. At that time, the small table told that I am also coming with you to catch Latula. And I, said all the tables and chairs and ran out of the door. And at that moment, what happened? All the chairs and tables who were there in the living room started shouting and started screaming that I am also coming, I am also coming. So they all went together to catch Latula. All except Grandpa's sofa and the dining table. All of them went out of the living room to catch Latula, but only Grandpa's sofa and the dining table remained there in the living room. They did not go out to catch Latula. Catch me if you can, Latula hummed. The meaning of hummed is to make a low sound. So at that time, Latula started making a soft sound that catch me if you can. He started telling all the other tables and chairs that try if you can catch me. So children, this was all there regarding the explanation of this lesson. I hope you all have understood. In the next video, we will do the book exercises of this lesson. Thank you.